everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. In my this video tutorial, I will tell you about the network problem in your device Redmi 9A, 9C. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the network, like your network is slow or not working or not connecting, you can fix it by the way as I will show you. Before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get updated videos. Now follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the network issue in your device. Let's watch it.